How to convert Meta AI images into YouTube video sites. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and once you open it, you can see there is three lines at the top left corner of the sections on in the screen. So let's tap on that three lines button, and once you tap on it, you can see there is a chat option at the second. So let's select the chat option, and finally you need to enter a prompt. So before that, let me tell you that you need to tap on the plus icons on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see there is camera and gallery. So you can simply upload images from your galleries on in the screen from here. So once you complete everything, you need to simply enter a prompt related to your image, and also include your prompt which is access into your YouTube video sites. And yeah, you will be able to convert your Meta AI images into your video sites successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to convert Meta AI images into your YouTube video sites. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.